this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in Battlefront 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So first, I need to make something very clear. Officially, Battlefront 2 doesn't have a 1v1 mode, so players have figured out a way in which you can be matched up against your friend, so you and them can have a 1v1. It is unfortunate that EA never added a duo mode or something similar in Battlefront 2 because it would feel awesome to play, but as it stands today, we have to resort to workarounds to get a 1v1 going. So this workaround relies on changing the server that you will be matchmaking with, and you and your friend will be able to locate each other together in the same server. So to start, go over to Options, EA Account, and make sure that both of you change this. Under your EA Account options, you have to change the ping side. So usually you would go for the one that has the lower latency possible. However, in this particular case, because you want to be matched up against your friend, both of you have to choose a very random and remote server. You can choose a specific location that currently has the lowest amount of players active, or a place that you know for sure isn't going to have people online because it is not peak hours. Regardless, just come to a conclusion on which ping site would be best, something that isn't too populated and preferably something that isn't at prime time at the moment. So once you and your friend choose the same ping site or the same location, now both of you can go back to the home screen, and the best mode to 1v1 in my opinion is going to be available under Heroes and Villains. It is going to be Hero Showdown. This is a 4 players mode, which is always 2v2. Because of this, it should be easier for you and your friend to locate each other and start 1v1ing. You can try to use other modes, but I highly recommend just doing Hero Showdown instead. And as you might imagine, what you and your friends have to do is count down to 3, 2, 1, and when you say go, both of you queue up at the same time. Make sure that you are in separate parties, so don't queue up together, and hopefully both of you will land on the same match and also be matched up against each other. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.